car, wrong way, wrong road, and no reason. People are somehow just not even stopping them. They go, oh, front crash, and one of the vehicles rolled over. We've got a person with their blinker on, but I can't see any upcoming turns. I can't say what happened here. I don't have the police report, but without question, there's a high level of intoxication occurring, or maybe potentially a medical emergency. We do often see people having certain episodes where they may be struggling with their consciousness or awareness of their surroundings, and they end up doing something like this.